Hi all, I am Muhammad Naji Abu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So we are continuing with our Python tutorial. So here in this video we will be discussing about a string function called format. Okay, so the definition is the format method format the specified value and insert them inside the strings placeholder. So this definition is like a little funny, so you may not be getting this one. So we can do some practicals, so it will be very clear. Okay, so let me have some input. So first just write some name. Okay, so to get something from the console we can use the function called input. Okay, here I am entering the name. Enter your name. Okay, so here we can enter some name. So let me enter the Jack. Okay, now another thing is that here also we can have a input function. Okay, enter your age. Okay, so I can enter the age as 19. Okay, now we need to show a string something like this. Okay, hello Jack, your age is 90. Okay, so we need to format our string something like this. So there are two ways, or like 2 or 3 ways that we can do. Okay, so first thing is that I can write something like this. Okay, hello. Inside this I can mention a name. Okay, then your age is, I can give age. Now there is a method called format. I can have this format, then you can have a name equal to this input name and age equal to input age. Okay, here this is wrong, this is input age. Okay, see, just run it. Okay, we will get the expected result. Hello Jack, your age is 90. Okay, now another method that we can do. Okay, the same thing we can follow. Hello, instead of some name, I mean some variable, we can have the index. Okay, and your age is, you can show index, this index as 1. Okay, now here I can give input name and age, I mean input age. See, so this is a placeholder. Okay, this 0 means it will take the first index. Okay, 1 means it will take the first index, and 0 means it will take the 0th index. Okay, so this is the one method. Okay, then there is also like another method similar to this. I can have just empty string here. Okay, your age is, I can say just empty, then format. Here we can give input name, input age. See, this also will work. So here the first one will be filled here and the second one will be filled here. Okay, in the second index. Then another method that I usually follow, we can start a string with F. Okay, then just type hello. Okay, here we can give input name. Okay, your age is, okay, here we can give input age. See, so this also will give the same result. Okay, I usually follow this one. I love this format. Okay, so that is all about in this video. Okay, please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.